up guys, welcome back to the YouTube and welcome back to the channel. This week we're back in the lovely Bristol guys, right here in Cabot Circus. We are here to check out another chicken shop, Wingstop. It's quite hard to say actually. So Wingstop, obviously wings, chicken tenders. We've got a brand new burger, which I'm very excited about. And they've even got different levels of spice and sauces, including my favourite, mango habanero. So Jordan, let's go and try out Wingstop. Are you excited?
Yeah.
You are the chicken wing man, right?
I'm a right chicken wing man.
Love it. But hey, before we go guys, what have you got to do? Remember, drop a like on the video and a subscribe, that would be great. And we will see you at Wingstop. It looks exciting. Massive. Are you decided?
Yeah.
It's quite tough to decide.
I'm getting 8 wings with the Hickory smoked barbecue.
Look at all the flavours. Atomic. I'm surprised you're not going with Hawaiian. That's a bit of a white girl one, isn't it? Excited for this one, guys. I've gone with a burger, which is quite new. I was going to go with chicken tenders, but the chicken tenders are in the burger, so I'm thinking that's a good option. And the mango habanero, spice it up a little bit. So
Wingstop.
have you seen what's behind you? You can see the food coming out. So what are you getting? What are you ordered?
I've got some wings. Smoker Hickory BBQ.
Got to try the wings, right? I'm excited.
We're not the wing business, we're in the flavour business.
Is that right?
Yeah.
I'm excited for this burger.
Burger.
Also, like stem chickens, nothing comes with chips, you have to add it on. But they do have some dirty fries and some good fry combos. Hello.
Hi.
I'm making a video for YouTube.
I love it how people say, are you filming a video? No, we're not. We're just sat here with 2 cameras pointing at us for fun. Anyway, hi to the guy that said hi to us in Wingstop. Look at all this chicken out here that on the pass coming out.
Grandma.
Hello, there you are.
I'm here.
Hi. They actually give you gloves for the chicken wings, but we have everything here, the burger, the wings, little house fries. Is that your ranch? I'm very excited. You need to pop your gloves on for your wings.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Wow. Big flavour burger. Can you see that? 2 chicken tenders, coleslaw, pickles, brioche bun. Mango habanero. Jesus. That mango habanero sauce is crazy. Wow. It's really spicy, but it's got like a tropical flavour to it. Jesus Christ. I'm glad that I got that. And the pickles as well. Spicy building up now. It's getting pretty hot. 11. There's a good burger. Should we try out some chicken wings?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Sorry to bother you, I do food reviews as well.
Cool.
What's your channel name?
It's Life of Joe and Jordan. Hi guys. Have a good one. You getting some food?
My YouTube's called Chief of the Village. I get quite a few thousand views, and my Instagram is called Crazy Bristol.
Cool, I'll check it out.
My hands are sticking.
We've got some gloves, guys. Now that normally means that there's some serious chicken wing going on.
Serious wingage.
Serious wingage. Can I just try a bit of ranch sauce?
Yeah.
These are the wings. We're in Wingstop, so you'd expect they're good. Tossed in barbecue.
That's really nice.
You're the chicken wing connoisseur though, so.
Sweet but tangy at the same time.
Yeah? These chips are really good.
Try that.
Oh wow.
Really good.
They are good.
Try this ranch sauce.
The ranch sauce is good, I think. I'm not sure if you'll like it.
No.
Let's smash the rest of this burger. This is such a good burger. I'm not even finished, I'm thinking I'm going to give it a 10 out of 10. This burger is so good. Have a look now.
Love the smell of mango.
Oh, and got pickles in it as well. It's quite spicy, guys. Oh my god, that burger was amazing. Smashed it. I would highly recommend that burger, but I wouldn't go atomic on it. I think that's a bit savage. But the mango habanero was really, really good. Oh, it's busy in here as well. It's always a good sign when you're covered in the barbecue sauce.
At least I've got bloody gloves.
Are they good though, yeah?
Now, really good.
Right, let's dive into some chips. Branchere, branchy. I do have an offer at a potential chicken wing. I'm not sure if I should take the offer up. What do you guys think? Yeah? Yeah, let's do it. Give him this little bad boy. Leave on your nose. To be fair, they are actually really good. They're not the little crappy ones you get. No. The sauce is good, isn't it? Really good. Well, you obviously like it, because...
I love me chop.
Oh, what's this cheeky little churro number?
Can I eat them now?
Yeah. I think that's a bit random, isn't it? Why would churros in a fried chicken restaurant? Well, they're really hot.
They have just come out of the fryer.
They're really good. Is that powdered cinnamon? Yeah. Cinnamon sugar? Reminds me of being in Mexico. Mexico. Give us a little,
Bang on.
Look at that. I know what I like. Mexican donut.
Yeah.
Mini Mexican donut. They're really good. I love the food in here already. Yes, please. I could fancy me selling up one of these burgers now. Oh my god. Very good, very good. Lovely dessert. This has been Wingstop in Bristol.
Been amazing.
Highly recommend it, guys. Get yourself down to your local Wingstop because they're all over the UK, not just in brilliant Bristol. Give it a try. As always, guys, thanks so much for watching.
Please like and subscribe.
Exactly. See you later, guys.
Bye.